Dave from Dyno Bike. Sitting underneath me is the brand new 2021 model Yamaha MT09. This model is Euro 5 spec, so there's a few significant changes to the way this bike produces its power, and to produce more horsepower they have increased the CC rating very slightly. And it has helped it because it's currently putting out 112 horsepower. I think the manufacturer claims 118, so there's a bit for you guys to discuss amongst yourselves already. I've just checked the overall speed of it. It is still restricted to 210 to 212 kilometers an hour, which indicated on the dash here is 128 kilometers an hour. And in a few minutes we're going to put an Akrapovic full system on it, and then we're going to measure the horsepower again and see how much it picks up. And I think based on, or from what I can see of the Euro 5 spec exhaust system, I'm pretty certain we might find that it picks up quite a lot of horsepower, but who knows, I may be wrong. So let's go ahead and put that on it, and then we'll test it again and see what it's putting out. So we've got a gain of about 5 horsepower, 5.5 horsepower on this one so far. Bear in mind we haven't done any flash tuning work, we haven't put an air filter in it, we haven't removed any restrictions that may be in the airbox, and I don't even know if there is any, but it looks like there probably is some there. And all in all, I think we're off to a pretty good start with this one. The gains are fairly good and linear right through the rev range, power and torque. With a little bit more time and some tuning work, I'm sure we'll see some bigger gains than what we've currently got. So keep an eye on this channel. In the future, in the very near future, we'll have some more good stuff to report back on this new model. Also, if you want to buy one of these exhausts, you can go to our website dynobike.com.au, or pop the link in just below, and you can purchase an exhaust system to get you started. Keep an eye on that also, because we will have some tunes available fairly soon once we've done our homework. And in the meantime, I'll pop these graphs up for you to have a look at. You see both the horsepower and the torque curve. Give you something to think about for the near future. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dyno Bike.